Guys, this is Jen and welcome back to Media Mentor. Today, as you can see, there's no Media Mentor directly. A lot of you are starting with your first day in college and everyone's curious ki kya hota hai, kaise hota hai, what do we do, how is our first day going to be like and everything. So I thought, why not ask Media Mentor herself how her first day of college was, when she was studying. Right now you can see behind me we have Pooja Maam, and let's ask her some fun questions about her first day in college. Guys, the very first question I feel like, very interested in asking her is that, you've seen her previous video that, she has been in Xaviers and 52% wala video to dekha hoga. But I'm more curious, she told me that she had 3 years में 3 different colleges. So that is going to be a fun fact because she's going to have 3 different days that she has gone, like first day of college wala scene. So what is that all about?
Yeah, so guys, when I give you so much of gyan na कि ये मत करो, course important है, exactly happened with me. Like personal experience तो है ही, and I have been teaching students, so उससे भी पता चलता है. But yes, I exactly had like 3 first days, like first day in different colleges. Like first, after my 12th, I went to Bhavans college for FY BSc. My subjects were chemistry, zoology and botany, which I hate because कीड़े काटने पड़ते थे उसमें, and I was like, dude, कीड़े काटने तक ठीक है, but उसका chemical reaction कौन पड़ेगा? So first day of Bhavans was like BSc students थे, तो class में more than 150 students are there. Nobody knows anybody, सिर्फ ओरिएंटेशन वो टाइम पे होता भी नहीं था. इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर आ जाओ, रोल नंबर होती थी, टीचर्स बहुत ही ज्यादा बूढ़े थे, एंड हम लाइक भाई क्या होगा, तो मैं कभी कॉलेज ही नहीं गई. तो फर्स्ट डे आई डिडंट रियलाइज फर्स्ट डे, बट देन आउटसाइड द क्लासरूम आई हैड फ्रेंड्स रादर देन इन क्लासरूम बिकॉज आई नेवर गॉट चांस टू इंटरेक्ट विद देम. आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एंड आई like gradually left that college. Then my second year was in Guru Nanak college. So वो फर्स्ट जब भी BMM शुरू हुआ था एंड माई परसेंटेज वॉज लो, तो कोई एडमिशन दे नहीं रहा था. आई वॉज लेट बिकॉज भवंस में आधा साल चला गया था. सो फर्स्ट ईयर इन गुरु नानक बीइंग द मोस्ट मीडियोकर कॉलेज, लाइक आई अभी भी मैं बोलती हूँ कि उनका क्राउड वो टाइम पे तो और खराब था. लाइक फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट टू दैट कॉलेज, एक तो इतना आउटस्कर्ट में, मुंबई तो लग ही नहीं रहा था, वो ऐसा लग रहा था कौन से गाँव में आ गए. क्लासरूम्स एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज सो एवरेज एंड फर्स्ट डे मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि भाई कौन से गांव में आ गए हो, एडजस्ट तो नहीं होगा, बट समहाउ साल निकल गया. एंड देन थर्ड ईयर व्हेन आई वेंट टू Xaviers, देन
कॉलेज,
या लाइक आई एम लाइक डूड, थर्ड कॉलेज वाज लाइक वहां पे अलग कल्चर शॉक. मतलब आप गांव से सीधे दुबई आ गए हो, लाइक एन इंडियन ट्रैवलिंग ऑल द वे. इट्स ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज लाइक Xaviers एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश. सो फर्स्ट 4 months मैंने बात ही नहीं किया. And all the girls are like so nicely dressed up and their hair, their footwear, और हम लोग ऐसा we shop from a
full culture shock.
Yeah, Bhavans भी गुरु नानक भवंस तो भी ठीक था कि चलो थोड़े मीडियम. गुरु नानक इज ऐसा, Xaviers इज ऐसा, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये लोग का चप्पल अच्छा दिखता है, बट ये मिलता किधर है? मम्मी तो बाटा से लेके आती है. एंड दे हैव ऑल फैंसी चप्पल्स एंड ऑल, एंड नाइस jeans and tops, and our top is वो DMart वाला, which is like some random thing is written which is like Adidas ka Abibas. So how you will feel at that time? So that was the thing. Like first day I had a different culture shock. So I just want to say, when you go in college for the first time, all of us gonna feel like where are we? So that belongingness आने को बहुत time लगता है. At times like Xaviers मेरे लिए, coming from a central Mumbai, Powai and Kanjur, Vikhroli, Bhandup area, it's like when you go to South Bombay, it's like different world. When you go to GT Devi Nagar, वो हमारे से थोड़ा नीचे है, तो like yeah, you can adjust. So first day, I'm sure Jen also had her first day. She did engineering, by the way, before
I
doing
had 2 first days.
So yeah, that was it. I mean, like first day was always like left out and trying to adjust and trying to figure out, oh, where am I? Feeling left out वाली आती है. Like you feel like you are the most, and अपने को कोई like we give ourselves so much of importance on our first day कि सब लोग हमको देख रहे हैं. हम थोड़ी ना यार करीना कपूर है, कैटरीना कैफ है, या फिर शाहरुख खान, if guy is watching, nobody cares, like honestly, but we do care because we feel that
to impress people,
underconfident, what you say, that inferiority complex कि भाई मेरे footwear अलग है, Xaviers में तो यार पब्लिक आ रहा है ऐसे ऑडी से, and I'm like looking at them, I'm like हम लोग ट्रेन से आ रहे हैं, 5 रुपए का टिकट, dude. That was like different feel altogether.
But then coming from 3 different colleges, okay, like you landed up in Xaviers at the end. But then, like, how comfortable were you with the students eventually? Like, because there's a lot of difference you're saying.
Yes.
First of all, BSc,
Yes.
then 2 different colleges.
Yeah.
And then BMM and everything. So, how did that work out?
So that workout, see, when I tell you guys कि was select the course, because BSc मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था यार, मैं क्लास में नहीं, they are talking about chemistry reaction जो इतना बड़ा है, and I'm like looking at the teacher who is like oldie, and I'm like oh shit, मतलब it's not about the oldie also, it's about मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा. That's happened, that harassment I've gone through in my 11, 12 derivatives and integration, and I'm like अब इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. You can understand that. And after that, when I went to Guru Nanak, मेरे को मजा आ रहा था टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज ना मैं ऐसे अंधे में काना राजा, यू नो माई प्रेजेंटेशंस आर बेस्ट, आई एम दी बेस्ट डूड, मेरा इंग्लिश सबसे अच्छा है, जो कि वाज वर्स्ट. सो माई इंग्लिश वाज लाइक डूड आई नो दिस, एंड माई प्रेजेंटेशंस आर लाइक इतना लेवल का अच्छा, एंड आई शुड टेक प्रिंट आउट एंड ऑल दैट, ऑलवेज स्कोर हाईएस्ट मार्क्स इन ऑल माई इंटरनल्स, बिकॉज कुछ कॉम्पिटिशन ही नहीं है बॉस. सो दैट वॉज द थिंग. Bhavans, I never attended college because I was outside the college में attendance देती थी, घर से निकलती थी, my mom will be watching actually. घर से I used to leave at morning 6 o'clock, but I never entered the classroom. I used to come back at 4 o'clock back home, but never inside the classroom. Always outside. Bhavans ka campus is amazing. There's so
Everyone
much.
is curious at this point.
So Bhavans is like जू चौपाटी यार पीछे, तो we are like जू बीच में बैठते थे पूरा दिन, तो like, and then Xaviers में फिर औकात पता चल गई, तो हम like yeah, you know, then it's like English में, then I like it took a while to get in that flow of regularly talking English, but that helps, that boost of your confidence. And secondly, आप इधर हो तो बच्चे इधर है, so the competition was so much कि so everyone is so creative,
Yeah.
and everyone comes from the background, like my school, I've often said that my school never had library, so we are not into like reading habit, and these guys are going to Xaviers library and reading this मोटा book of Twilight and Harry Potter. अब तक नहीं पता क्या होता है दोनों भी, मूवी ऐसा bits and pieces में देखा है. So I'm like, dude, that was something I started reading Chetan Bhagat because that was the only thing I understood that time.
You started reading because others were reading in Xaviers.
Yeah. That was the main reason, because वो ऐसा left out feeling होता था ना, जैसे now you guys feel on social media. If you don't show off on Instagram, yeah, FOMO. So my FOMO was that library is amazing in Xaviers, and you go and everybody is like, dude, reading that books, and I'm like, ये 4 पेज में मेरे को नींद आते हैं ट्रेन में. How they read that? So that was a positive impact, I would say, like, you know, the broad mindset and good kind of FOMO.
Okay, apart from this, like, I feel classroom though it comes with the
Yeah, you
it becomes a
enjoy.
mandatory thing, ठीक है.
Yeah.
But I know that, you know, as a student, that the best place of a college is not the class, it's of course the canteen. So what is your experience, you know, in a first day or say first week itself? Of course, friends though you don't get instantly.
Yeah.
You have to be that one person in the corner. So how was your day in canteen?
So canteen, like, guys, canteen is like such an amazing place, to be honest. Guru Nanak canteen,
Your
कुछ नहीं
face.
था. I mean, I remember going to eat idli to like, you know, 10 minutes away because कुछ नहीं था उधर. And talking about Bhavans, it got an amazing canteen. People from other colleges used to come. तो 15-20 रुपए में फ्रैंकी मिलती थी. And अंधेरी location is like 15-20 का फ्रैंकी मस्त noodles वाला. And I was like, this also must, like, them eating everything possible, you know, under the sun. And बाहर एक Chinese वाला था, राधेश्याम. So all the Bhavan students used to be there more than in canteen because his Chinese was
Canteen भी नहीं, बाहर.
बाहर, like college के बाहर. And Xaviers is unbeatable. Like first time when you go to canteen, you feel अरे किधर जाना है, कैसे जाना है. It takes a while to build that rapport with the annas. You know, different annas. Sandwich wala is another bhaiya. Then anna is alag ande wala. Then, you know, we used to get non-veg in Xaviers. So there's a counter for pastries and all as well. So, you know, udari bhi le sakte hai wo, but first month nahi. You know, first month is like I'm counting how much is there. Then udhar budget nahi hota hai, so you have a lot of things on the station. Like, you know, shev puri, sandwich and ganna juice and everything in Xaviers. But college क्यों वही मैटर करता है ना यार कि कैंटीन लाइफ ही नहीं थी. गुरु नानक में यू कांट इवन लाइक कुछ नहीं है. So that's scary. I mean, you know, that surrounding matters a lot at times. And outside area also, like Miti Bhai, they don't have like big campus as such, but they do have like outside bhai uska vada pav people like go to eat dosas and everything. So that's the thing, like about canteen, it's like initially you will struggle कि क्या खाना है, क्या अच्छा है, so you will try everything first week में. ये है, और budget भी बहुत matter करता है, because if you like something and it's like 50 rupees for us was too much, so 15 रुपए वाला Frankie was our daily appetite.
And the best part about the colleges, we all know now, even after the food of course, is having a best fest. And knowing Xaviers, uska fests are on a different level. So how did you start with the fest? And
so fest, like Bhavans had the culture of disco night and all. Like even Bhavans got a very big fest because they have a, as I said, campus itna pretty and a greenery and everything and massive area. तो वहाँ पे काफी ऐसे shows and all होते रहते थे जिसकी tickets भी बिकती थी. So Bhavans में I remember getting a pass of DJ night, free couple entry, ऐसा ना college में आता था. So outside जाने को, तो अंधेरी area and all. So like Xaviers में ऐसा कुछ passes नहीं आता था because campus के अंदर बहुत strict है, कुछ allowed नहीं है. So Xaviers Malhar was very competitive. Like for me to get in second year में मैं interview round नहीं qualify कर पाई थी because they wanted somebody very creative and I was dabba anyway. So I was like, what to do, I don't know. तो मैंने last में security के लिए apply किया, फिर मैंने बोला जान दे नहीं करना मेरे को, मैंने छोड़ दिया. So second in final year I did one of the department. So उसमें था like coordination and everything I did. But knowing Malhar, the level, but the sad part is ना जो बच्चा बहुत confident है वो ही कर पाता है यार. And person like I missed out second year because मेरे को confidence ही नहीं आ रहा था. They were so confident, they were so good on camera, off camera, and they were like just too good with their work. And they already knew. And secondly वो लोग का seniors के साथ बहुत अच्छा चड्डी बड्डी हो गया था because first year में थी नहीं तो मेरा वो रैपो नहीं बना था. तो I was not able to. थर्ड ईयर तक बन गया इसलिए somehow. So जितना बड़ा फेस्ट होता है ना उतनी प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, if you are like थोड़ा सा भी shy and you are not able to show that confidence, आप left out feel करोगे. बहुत हुआ है मेरे साथ, like you feel
but eventually it comes out,
eventually
right?
It comes out
because
but
of the friends,
the initial is like that inferiority complex that you're not fitting in because there are a lot of factors that we do as a student to fit in that particular group, but फिर भी नहीं हो पाता. At times you try but वो भी नहीं हो पाता, then you try भाई नहीं चलो छोड़ दो. And Guru Nanak had a very mediocre fest, तो वो ज़्यादा participants भी आते नहीं थे बाहर से, तो कॉलेज में छोटा मोटा जो हो गया, so it happened. And Bhavans was अलग वो night fest and all बहुत बड़ा level पे and all that. So I didn't be a part of as an organizer, but college तो जाती नहीं थी तो कौन देगा. So yeah, I used to be just go there, enjoy, eat, dance and come back. So that was it. The fest is amazing to boost your confidence, make networking, get that rapport with your seniors and other department, which never happens. Generally you don't interact with other department, but this time is where you interact with other department. That's the best thing about fest.
This is one good thing, like knowing from you said you're like a very inferior feeling kind of a person, very quiet, don't know what is going on, and then still you managed to grow up in a very good environment and got through things apne aap. So that was one thing that I wanted to know, like how you did it, because it's pretty cool when you tell me that I was very quiet and everything. This is my first day and versus now, like that's a drastic difference. So that is something we wanted to tell all of you guys, and even I wanted to know. And there are a few more things I would like to ask her, but maybe in another video. And that's pretty much it from my side. Anything you want to tell the kids, because they are starting their first day, and something that they should know.
So I just want to give one very important message which I never got from anybody, that believe in yourself in terms of everybody will make you feel inferior in all aspects, in your looks, in your color, in your language, in your capabilities. People will compare you, teachers will compare you, your parents will say अरे देख वो कितना अच्छा कर रहा है, वो कल को इतना पैकेज, शर्मा जी का बेटा, ये होगा, अभी भी होगा. And that happened with me a lot because first thing I was not good in studies because यार school environment वैसा नहीं था, and never emphasized on why I'm studying what I'm studying, just marks के पीछे भागे. And coming from a background where my parents are themselves not very well educated, so they did their best to make me educated, but what happened is they never know, like उनको पता नहीं था कि मुझे पढ़ाना मतलब पढ़ने क्या बोलना है. So wherever you come from, it doesn't matter. ये quote भी आपने सुना होगा, where you end that matters.
Correct.
So for me, that was the thing कि I was being told कि you are below average, you are never good, and my report card also showed that. तो कोई गलत नहीं था. My rank was 36-25 in class, in like after 4th standard, and after that in college I performed well because I chose a subject that I wanted to study. That was media. That was mass communication. So that's where I excelled. That's where I at least got the confidence that I can study. So that's one thing, guys. You have to find out what you are good at. It can be anything. And rahi baat body shaming, rahi baat color ki. So if you see my previous photos, you would exactly
we'll
what Jen is
insert
saying.
some clips of that also.
So
Before after.
Jen will exactly tell you जैसे insert से भी आपको समझ जाएगा. Body confidence नहीं था. तो कैमरे के सामने आना. I exactly understand when at times Jen also tells me कि मैम कैमरे पे नहीं. But I tell her कि just a face, because we are made feel in such, मतलब ऐसा आपको फील कराया जाएगा कि यार वो देखो ऐसा दिख रहा है, the personality and everything. It takes a lot of courage to be you and be like, boss, this is me. Yes, I'll improve. Yes, I'll do my best. But everyone will make you inferior, make you feel inferior. There'll be only few or 1-2 people in your life will say कि यार तू कर सकता है and you are the best, and just hold on to that people. And what happens is keep trying. For me, the only thing I have is I don't have any talent. I'm just consistent. She also knows that.
Yeah.
I'm just consistent in whatever I do. I'm like, if I want to do it, I'll keep doing it. Results positive, negative भी आते हैं. So it's just that keep doing what you love. 1 साल से 2 साल से 3 साल से 5 साल भी लग सकते हैं. It's just that if you want to give up, just remind yourself that why you started.
Correct.
That's the thing. In college life, ये comparison होगा and आप feel bad करोगे. आपको ये लगेगा यार मैं पूरे college life, guys, I was not able to wear the kind of jeans or skirt I had to. After the age of 26, first time I wore a skirt which was below, above knee length, because मेरे को नहीं आ रहा था confidence, and I was never in that shape which ever made me feel confident. So I'll tell you more of things, but just a message ki world will make you feel inferior. You have to ask yourself that who you are, trust the whole process, keep working hard for what you want to, and be like कि जब बुरा भी लग रहा है ना, हाँ ठीक है ना, कर लूंगा. You have to tell yourself,
Positive attitude.
Positive attitude. That's the only thing can save you, and can save you in terms of not going to that downfall of मैं तो अच्छा नहीं हूँ. जहाँ वो गए भाई खत्म. It's over. So don't get into that. बस जो भी है ना, आगे क्या कर सकते हैं, अब जो है हम हैं. That's it. And what we can do next will matter. So that's the only thing I want to say. But yes, as Jen was this whole idea of the podcast was of Jen, so I chalo, let's do it. And then how we proceed, after the response that you give us in our comment box कि ऐसे videos में क्या topic cover करना चाहिए. Obviously we'll invite guests apart from me, and Jen, you will find more people as well.
After we dig out everything out of her, then we'll see about guests.
Yeah. So we'll keep on talking to you so that what I didn't get or what she didn't get, we want you to understand that. That's the only thing. शायद हमको किसी ने बोला होता तो हम कुछ अलग थॉट प्रोसेस में होते, बट कोई था ही नहीं यार, तभी ये सब चीजें इतनी नहीं थी. एंड इवन जेन वुड एग्री, शी जस्ट फिनिश्ड हर ग्रेजुएशन, बट उसने इंजीनियरिंग लिया ही नहीं होता. उसको एक बार किसी ने बोला होता कि भाई मत कर अगर तेरे को नहीं करना है तो. दैट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट दैट वन थिंग कैन चेंज द होल लाइफ डिसीजन. सो या, I mean, the whole idea of this video and the podcast is that only.
Okay guys, so I hope all of you enjoyed this whole segment where ma'am has spoken about her first day of college, her first week, how it went, all the challenges faced, everything. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.